So that guy there just made it. Whoa! So that's this is our winner here. He's the one who made everything. And the people are telling me just I should be careful to come here, but it's quite the opposite. They just, I'm so loved here, I can feel. I'm really loved. Oh, this is come. So this level of rice is gonna go to that house there. She has a little burden. That's why it's hard to see if she can do something as a business and then it can grow. Just got the things to go to visit that family. One of the problem I realized that is the cleanliness, the hygiene. So I gathered the bleach that I'm gonna take there and the rice. One of the bag of rice is gonna be for competition. So we're gonna do basketball challenges for one of the bag and the other one to give to that family. So in any way, adding on rice, we're gonna do something else to help that grow. Who is the only one who can do something at home? So we're gonna help with doing kind of business because that's the only one she can help. Yes, she can help. And the good thing with this store, you can also pay with a card. Salam alaikum. Is there anything you need from me? Anything else? No? Okay. Anyway, I know some of these guys here because they help me. So, how are we gonna do? We're gonna leave this one on the door? Yeah, what did you come to do here? You're supposed to be there. Yeah. So in any way, it looks like I'm gonna carry those rice because you can't take people's cards. Unfortunately, I'm gonna carry. So this will not pass here? No. Okay. You know, sir? That's mine. You know Judy? Yes. Yeah, that's why I'm taking this. Yeah. No problem. Judy is a popular name. It's popular. Yeah. Wow. So we're gonna take this all the way there. Thank you so much. You're a good guy. I was wondering how I'm gonna carry that on my shoulders like that. I'm just waiting here. My cameraman cannot move because it sounds unsafe. There is coming. Okay. So we're here. Hey, we're gonna put this here. Here. Thank you so much. So this level of rice is gonna go to that house there. I'll take this to that house. So leave it there. Leave it that there. Yeah. So just leave it there. So I'm giving this here. I come to pick it this. Okay. So I know where the house is. I know where I'm going. I mean, the keys will follow you where you go. Pretty much that we are, and the guy, come here. So this is the guy who will have his like a fishing road to go to get some food. But as you can see, he really look hungry. And the house is just really smelling very bad. Not much hygiene because they have 1, 2, 3 people who don't move. Yeah, very shocking situation. And the other thing is that they have a daughter is the one that we're gonna do something sustainable. So I brought some things to help with started a small business because she's the one who helped the family when working night time. So this bleach they're gonna help to kill some of the smell here and also to have a lot of hygiene. Have you ever experienced in your life where you have a situation like this? Where you have people who don't move, they are bed bound, even though there is no bed, but I don't know if I would say the floor bound because there is no bed, they just sleep like that. No person to take care. So this is another one too. She's the one who they say sometimes she will cook too, but it's just a hard situation. Very hard situation. I've been in many countries. I live myself in a very poor situation, but this one here, I've never seen something like this, where you have people who don't move, just sleeping on the ground. And you have the one who's supposed to feed them, he's there doing nothing. You can tell. But I think the more we support the girl, the more she can support the rest of the family. That's what one of the barangay Kagawad. She's here actually. She's a very smart lady. She's the one who told me to do that. So, yes. Can you turn off the camera? Just turn it off, camera. Yeah, turn off. Pull that. Pull on the top. No. So this is the only person who seems to be like helping the family. She's the one who survived from this health-related condition, and she's the one who is helping. I think they say she's 32 years old. Yeah, so she's the one who is helping by working at night time. She was sleeping because she's gonna go start working night time, and in the time she goes some time with this dad to do. Well, she has a little burden. That's why if she can do something as a business and then it can grow and help the family. And also being sleeping nighttime. So the bleach wash inside. Yeah. Okay. I do basketball challenges.
Actually, yes.
So I will bring a bag of rice. Okay. They will shoot.
Yes.
Whoever is number one will take a bag of rice.
Who wants to shoot, you will give a prize.
The one who will be the best.
The best.
Yeah, will get one.
Which one?
Yeah.
So, sisa na makapashoot, tatawan niyang premium.
Yeah, we did that before. They know. They know how to do that.
Yes. Now, I am barangay.
Oh, nice to meet you. You are the boss.
Yes.
And you are barangay captain for barangay 27?
Yes.
Okay.
Barangay 27.
Okay.
Victory Valley.
Okay. So the other things is there is a family. Ophelia. The husband come from hospital? Come? He's home?
He was hospitalized.
Yeah, you were supposed to come today back home. I was here in the morning. You were in seminar.
Yes. I was seminar.
Yeah.
I just came now.
You saw that I know. Because I was looking for you, they say you are in a seminar. So I want to meet Ophelia.
Gonzalez.
And the last one is, you know the house where they have 3 people with disability?
Yes, Bernardo Bahoy.
Yeah.
The family of Bernardo Bahoy.
I think.
He has 3 children before PWD. Yes, Bernardo Bahoy.
Okay. My family help the grow the daughter.
Family of
The daughter.
Oh, yeah.
I want to help with little to start small business. So I met her this morning, so she want to, she works very hard. She doesn't sleep. She comes home.
Thank you for the help.
I want to buy bleach because their house is not clean. So I'm going to Pure Gold to buy bleach and I will give to her. But also
In the house.
also you as the boss, you can look for volunteers or sometimes to go to help to clean the house because the house doesn't not the good hygiene.
Ano gusto niya na mabigyan naman? Yes, we had by DSW to help to clean the house.
Yeah. So it will be good. Me, what I'm gonna do is little, but you have a big responsibility. My name is Costa anyway. I'm from Texas. Costa.
Costa.
Yes.
What is it?
Costa. Costa.
COSTA.
Yes. And they live in Texas. Yeah. And they love your people here. Good people.
Thank you.
So when I came here, people told me, be careful, be careful, be careful. But when I hear, I saw people kind.
Hospitable.
Yeah. So why people tell me, be careful, but why? You think that the people here, it's safe?
Yes.
You think it's safe here?
The people here is very friendly and sick people. No hard. No harmful.
No harmful.
Yes.
So what will you tell people who think that this place is dangerous? What can you tell them?
I want to tell the people here not to be people and quarrel or endanger or not to do bad things to other people.
So how about other people who think this place is not good to come? What can you tell them? Say it in Bicol or in Tagalog.
I want to tell the people to come here because the people here are very kind and not harmful people here.
So not harmful
No
people.
harmful people.
Because some people think that this place is dangerous.
No, it's not dangerous to come other people here because people here are hospitable and kind.
That's what I saw too.
Yes.
People, I think they just wanted to make me scary, but I came and I like
You
people.
feel this place. You feel at home for this place.
That's true. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna come back. I wanna get rice. So I'll come back
You
here.
must Judy.
You are going, and I'm gonna meet Judy. It's gonna help me back. You know to carry this like this.
What's your name?
My name? What's your name?
Flavors.
Yeah, Clavers. Yeah.
Okay, what were you doing? I'd like to follow the video. Yes.
We're gonna see who's gonna win this.
Oh, okay. Ganyan. Eat my English. This. America. America.
Where we go? Where?
This.
It is super heavy, 25 kilo.
Okay.
Here, right? Here? No? Where? Where?
This is one. This is two house.
So this is for kids competition. And It's another way to attract the parent.
Let's go. Ano pala
So,
It's heavy.
too heavy?
It's heavy. America.
Take me video. Take me video. Take.
Okay.
Press video.
Okay.
Yeah. This is quite heavy. So this is what we do.
So strong. This
We take this to bring the kids together and the parent. Then we can distribute the bag. It's super heavy. Hello, Po. Beautiful. Hi.
America.
Watch out. Hello, Po. Hi. I think we're there. I think we're there. So this is gonna attract a lot of people. And we will call the captain of the barangay to hand this rice. Yeah. That is gonna be amazing. This is gonna be the challenge. Yeah.
Triple challenge.
Let me see, you're coding? Oh yeah, you're coding. So, as you can see, there are a lot of people here. So this is what we do. There are a lot of people. And it's gonna attract all these people. So we'll do challenge. Whoever gonna win will take this. So let's do this. You make it, you go there. You don't make it, you go there. So it makes sense? Yes. So if you make it, you go right. You don't make, you go left. Okay. So that's what we do. Those who make it, they will go here. And then we'll eliminate and they see the last one. Hey, yeah. Hey, there, hey. Together. So this is so fun. Oh my goodness, that ball must make it. No. So far we have one. No. They missed. That guy was looking like someone who's gonna make it, but my camera. Oh, so we have a two. We have two. This is so cool. I love this. So you can see them on the line there. Look, the line is way long, and the people just flooded now. There are a lot of people. So whoever's gonna win will take the bag of rice, and at the same time we're gonna give the Bible. So the community is here, and actually the chief of this kind, they call it the barangay, he's here too. She's the one who will give the rice to the winner. So it's fun. They're trying to make there, and who makes it goes there, and who doesn't make goes there. So far, all these are the one who missed. All these you see here. Those are the loser. But so far, people who made it, they are this one. So until we get one winner, and then we will give the rice to the winner. And the chief of this barangay community is that lady there. They call her captain. So the Bibles also are here. We're gonna give the Bibles, and then we'll give the rice to the winner later. So that's what I do everywhere I go. Thank you so much for all those who supported this. That's another good way of helping. Just telling these people about the Word of God and such things. They take it as fun, but at the same time they get the Bible. Thank you so much. I need to keep watching. So only two? Two? No shooter. It's getting overwhelmed. But so far, only two people so far made it. Three. That guy is the third. He just made it too. So we have three who are gonna compete. But I think the big guy, the one who knows to shoot, I think they are the one who are remaining there. Just look how big this community is. Look. And these are the one who lost. They're not going to do anything. So three? Only three? So far we have three who just made it. Out of, I don't know how many of them. There are like 60 of them. A lot. So remain three to bring all the three. So we have three. Yeah, make it. No. So we have these two dudes here. We have these two dudes to make it. You, the last one. Okay, you come. So, among these three, we're gonna have the winner. We will see who is gonna make it. So, one eliminated. Remain these two. So, if everyone doesn't make it, we'll bring all three of them. Wow. So, that guy there just made it. Whoa! So that's the winner there. Yeah. So that's the guy who is taking the bag of rice. So that's the guy who is taking the bag of rice. So we're gonna give the gift to that guy. Yeah, because he is the best. We're gonna wait for the boss. The boss is the one who is gonna get the rice. Give him the rice, I mean. So this is our winner here. He's the one who made everything. He just beat all these people. And you can see behind me more here. He's the winner. So the boss here is the one who is gonna give it to.
I am the boss.
Yeah. Yeah. Congratulations. Yeah. It's better giving rice than giving money. Yeah. But later we're gonna give the Bible. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much. Is that your brother?
Yes.
Brother?
Yes.
Who is older? You? Ah. Oh, so two, you are good shooter.
Yes.
You are among the three, right? You and him, you are among the three. Ah. That's your brother too? No. just a friend. Just a friend. Yeah. So you just won this. Hold on. You just won this. What do you think?
I want to
Say in Bicol. What do you think? Looks like you're very happy. You're very happy.
Yes.
When did you start playing basketball? When?
Yes. 2010.
Oh, that's where you learn. You learn this.
Yes.
You think, sincerely speaking, you think you are best than everyone? You are best? Who is the best in basketball?
I don't know.
Who is the best basketballer?
I don't know.
You don't know? The guy is very happy. And he deserves it. He deserves it. Okay, I'm gonna close this and we're gonna go to the next step that normally brought us here. And we have some drinks too. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Where is the disco?
Oh, is it just that?
Yeah, videos. Video. You are the brother. So this is the brother. He's just kidding. Where do you live? Where is your house? Your house? Barangay 28? 27? Oh, this 27. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, go. Yeah. Bumps.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Is that hey, hold on. No. Tell them move over. No, okay.
Di magkuha.
That guy. Can you help to give a juice? Because you are muscle, there's kid, the juice there.
Yes, I can manage that.
Yeah. Now it's a juice time. It's a juice time.
captain here. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. You go home now, okay? Go home now. We'll see you another day. Yeah, bye.
Bye-bye! Thank you!
Thank you so much, po. Thank you. Wow. So anyway, this concludes
Just give him my money!
my 4th day in Legazpi. It is such a wonderful time, and I will come again another time
Yes!
because people here are just wonderful. And the people are telling me just I should be careful to come here, but it's quite the opposite. I'm so loved here, I can feel. I'm really loved.